Is your Rogers Smart doorbell ringing nonstop? This issue often stems from a few key problems: a stuck button, chime malfunction, or wiring issues. First, let's address the most common cause: a stuck button. This happens when the physical button is jammed by debris or wear. Inspect the button closely and try cleaning it with compressed air. If that doesn't work, it could be an electrical short within the button itself, requiring replacement. Next, consider the chime. Software glitches or power surges can cause phantom rings. Try restarting the chime via the Rogers Ignite app or by power cycling it. Lastly, wiring problems, such as loose or corroded connections, can keep the circuit energized, mimicking a constant ring. Use a doorbell circuit tester to verify the voltage, which should be between 16 to 24 volts AC. Remember to always disconnect the power at the breaker before working with any wiring to avoid electrical hazards. If basic troubleshooting doesn't solve the issue, more advanced steps may be needed. For wiring issues, ensure proper grounding and separation of low-voltage wiring from high-voltage house power. In harsh climates, weatherproof connectors are crucial to prevent corrosion. If the problem persists after hardware resets and wiring checks, it may be a more complex hardware fault, and contacting a certified installer is recommended. Looking ahead, the trend of smart home integration introduces new potential issues, like AI false positives triggering the doorbell. Rogers is actively addressing these with firmware updates and improved motion detection algorithms. Battery-powered models are gaining popularity, but can suffer from dead battery-induced stuck states. Future developments include AI-driven diagnostics and solar-powered options to prevent battery failures. Always keep your doorbell's firmware updated to benefit from the latest fixes and security enhancements.